after the announcement made by the core team, many people started to realize that PiNetwork lied to them. I'm going to give you some advice, my friend. PiNetwork is a real project. You should know that PiNetwork core team has a lot of work to do to prepare things. Everything online in this video. I am going to tell you why you should not sell your Pi before the open mainnet, because if you sell them, you will regret it before March 30th, 2025. Why you might consider holding on to your Pi cryptocurrency before the open mainnet launch. Potential increase in value. Pi's value could rise significantly after the open mainnet launch. Selling early might mean missing out on potential profits. Limited circulating supply. Early adopters who hold Pi may benefit from a smaller circulating supply initially, which could increase demand. Network development. PiNetwork is still in its early stages, and selling now might prevent you from reaping long-term benefits as the ecosystem matures. Utility growth. As the mainnet goes live, more use cases and utilities for Pi might emerge, increasing its intrinsic value. Loyalty rewards. Holding Pi may grant you loyalty bonuses or staking opportunities in the future. Marketplace launch. The upcoming Pi marketplace could offer better trade opportunities and goods/services for your Pi. Part of the ecosystem. By holding, you remain an active participant in Pi's decentralized ecosystem. FOMO, fear of missing out. Selling before mainnet might lead to regret if Pi gains significant traction. No rush to sell. Since Pi mining doesn't require heavy financial investment, there's no urgency to sell for immediate financial relief. Speculative market risks. The crypto market can be volatile. Early sellers might undervalue Pi's future potential. Exponential adoption. As more people join, the network effect could significantly boost Pi's value. Decentralized vision. Selling Pi now goes against the project's long-term vision of creating a decentralized, user-driven currency. Future partnerships. Upcoming partnerships could increase Pi's value and utility. Risk of scams. Selling Pi before mainnet might expose you to scams or unfair transactions. Regret of early adopters. Many early adopters of Bitcoin and Ethereum sold too early. History might repeat itself. Potential for passive income. Future staking or lending opportunities could provide passive income streams. Growing developer interest. Increased developer participation could lead to more applications and higher demand for Pi. Mass adoption prospects. Pi aims to be a widely used currency. Selling now might miss out on its growth trajectory. Open mainnet events. Major launches or announcements during the open mainnet phase could drive significant value increases. Community strength. The Pi community is growing, and a strong community often correlates with a project's success. Hodling philosophy. Crypto history rewards those who hold HODL for the long term. Potential institutional interest. If institutions take notice, Pi's value could skyrocket. Pi apps development. The development of decentralized apps, dApps, on the Pi blockchain could drive its value. Pioneering advantage. You are among the early adopters, which could yield significant future advantages. Educational experience. Holding and participating in the Pi ecosystem is a valuable learning experience about blockchain and cryptocurrencies. Increasing scarcity. Mining rewards decrease over time, making Pi increasingly scarce. Network stability. Holding Pi supports the stability and security of network. Innovative consensus mechanism. Pi's consensus algorithm is energy efficient and scalable, making it appealing for broader adoption. Future payment system. Pi could become a widely accepted payment method, boosting its demand. Liquidity options. Open mainnet will likely provide more liquidity and secure trading options. Avoid selling at a loss. Pre-mainnet sales might undervalue your Pi, leading to financial losses. Growing utility for goods and services. Pi is designed for real-world utility, which might only be realized after Mainnet. Trust in the team. The Pi core team's consistent development efforts show promise for the project's success. Minimal investment. Mining Pi doesn't cost you money, so holding it isn't a financial burden. Potential for governance tokens. Holding Pi might grant governance privileges in the network's future development. Avoid premature selling fees. Informal transactions before Mainnet might incur high fees or risks. Support decentralization. By holding, you contribute to Pi's goal of decentralization. Global reach. Pi's international user base ensures a broad market and potential for cross-border utility. Technological advancements. Future technological updates could enhance Pi's blockchain and increase its value. Long-term vision. PiNetwork is a long-term project, and holding aligns with its timeline for growth and development. Holding Pi until the open mainnet launch ensures you remain positioned for potential gains and benefits as the network reaches maturity. Don't forget to click subscribe, like, and share.